Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee using an essential kit. First, gather your tools: a burr grinder, a digital scale, a gooseneck kettle, and fresh whole bean coffee. These items are crucial for achieving a consistently delicious cup every time. Precision is key, so measuring your ingredients accurately will elevate your brewing experience significantly. Let's dive into the simple steps to unlock amazing flavor. Now let's prepare your coffee. Grind your whole beans immediately before brewing to preserve their vibrant flavors and aromas. For a pour-over, a medium fine grind resembling table salt works wonderfully. Measure precisely 16 grams of coffee beans using your digital scale. This ensures a consistent coffee-to-water ratio, which is fundamental for extracting the best taste from your beans. Consistency truly makes all the difference. Next, focus on your water. Heat fresh water to an ideal temperature between 200 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. A gooseneck kettle is essential here, allowing you to pour with incredible control. Start with a 30-gram bloom pour, gently saturating all the coffee grounds. Wait for 30 seconds. This crucial bloom phase allows carbon dioxide to escape, preparing the coffee for optimal extraction and a richer flavor profile. To finish your brew, continue pouring the remaining water slowly and steadily in concentric circles. Aim for a total brew time of around 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Your digital scale will guide you to a total of 250 grams of water for your 16 grams of coffee. Once complete, remove your brewer and serve your freshly made coffee immediately. Enjoy the rich, aromatic, and perfectly balanced flavors you've created with your essential coffee kit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.